Hey, good evening, geometry. I'm going to start by seeing if somebody else can teach you because I'm getting kind of tired here. Okay?
Okay, hold on. Got it? All right. Just wait.
Good afternoon. My name is Angela. It'd be my pleasure to take your order.
Yeah, two things. One, what can you tell me about slope-intercept form?
I'm so sorry. What was that?
Slope-intercept form? You know anything about it?
So what?
Okay, how about, do you have a Diet Mountain Dew?
No, we did not.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Well, that was no help.
After all that, I am going to have to teach you. Okay, well, the good news is this is review. This is review from think back to your old algebra days. And we used to talk about slope. If you think about slope, like if you tried to describe the steepness of something to somebody who knew nothing about it, think about what that means. You all know what steep is, but describe it in words. It's basically how fast something is going up compared to how far out it goes, right? Like this is going up very fast and not going out very far. This is not going up very fast at all, and it goes out a long way, okay? So they're all kind of ways of talking about slope. Slope, if we wanted to define it a little more rigorously, is the rise over the run. It also can be, you can say y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. That's review. Also should be review is slope-intercept form. What I asked that nice lady who seemed like she didn't want to help. Slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Remember, m is the slope, b is the y-intercept. There's a thing called point slope form. These are just two ways of describing a line. And it's point slope form is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, if you go on in your chapter a little bit, this is lesson 8. Turn the page and they're going to start talking about some different parallel lines and slopes of parallel lines and perpendicular lines. That is also review. You should remember, I hope, that the slope of a parallel line, and even if you don't remember, you can just kind of think about it. What do you know about the slope of this line? You should know that it's equal to that line. In terms of slope-intercept form, it would have a different, if this is on a grid somehow, here's your x and y axis, you can see it's going to have a different y-intercept. It's going to have a different b, but it's going to have the same slope. Perpendicular lines don't have the same slope, but they have, their slope is the inverse opposite of it. So if the slope of one, I guess I shouldn't have drawn them like this. Let me change my drawing just a bit. If I drew one like this, then the perpendicular to it would go like that. So if this was a slope of negative 2/3, then its perpendicular is going to have a slope of positive 3/2. Should be review. I don't think this is not going to cause you any problems. And that's about it. Okay.